A modern aircraft carrier is one of the largest and most complex machines ever built. It carries dozens of fighter jets. It can operate for decades without refueling, and it can launch aircraft in the middle of the ocean, day and night. But how does it actually work? An aircraft carrier is far more than a warship. It is a floating airbase at a city at sea. A machine designed to project power anywhere on Earth, stretching over 330 meters in length and carrying thousands of crew members. These massive vessels are among the largest military machines ever built. On board, up to 90 aircraft can be launched, recovered, refueled, and maintained while crossing the open ocean. But to understand how an aircraft carrier works, we first need to understand its incredible scale. Despite its enormous size, an aircraft carrier rarely sails alone. It travels as the centerpiece of a carrier strike group, a floating network of warships, submarines, and aircraft designed to protect it from every direction. But the carrier itself is only half the story. Its true weapon is the air wing it carries on board. But an aircraft carrier is more than steel and machinery. It is powered by thousands of people working together every day. Hundreds of people move simultaneously across the deck, yet every movement follows a precise procedure. Jet exhaust. Heavy machinery. Moving aircraft. The flight deck is an incredibly dangerous place to work. Aircraft carriers are floating cities. They carry thousands of people, dozens of aircraft, and enough power to operate anywhere on Earth. But none of that would matter if their aircraft couldn't leave the deck, and that's where the real challenge begins. A fully loaded fighter jet needs tremendous speed to fly. At a normal airport, a fighter jet has thousands of meters of runway available. On an aircraft carrier, it has less than 100. To solve this problem, aircraft carriers use a powerful launch system, one capable of accelerating a fighter jet from 0 to takeoff speed in just a few seconds. In just a few seconds, the catapult accelerates the aircraft to flying speed. But the real launch system is hidden beneath the flight deck. Deep inside the ship lies a machine capable of generating enormous force. Traditional carriers use steam catapults. High-pressure steam pushes a piston along a track beneath the deck. That piston is connected to a shuttle on the surface, which pulls the aircraft forward at incredible speed. Each launch transfers enough energy to accelerate a fighter jet in just seconds. The newest carriers no longer use steam. Instead, they use electromagnetic launch systems. Similar to a giant linear electric motor. MEALS accelerates aircraft more smoothly and more efficiently. Launching a fighter jet is difficult. Bringing it back may be even harder. Pilots must land on a runway that is constantly moving with the ocean. Instead of brakes, carrier aircraft use arresting wires. Steel cables stretched across the deck, designed to stop a fighter jet in just seconds. In just a few seconds, the arresting system brings the aircraft to a complete stop, absorbing an enormous amount of energy, all within the length of the flight deck. From launching fighter jets into the sky, to bringing them safely back to a moving runway at sea, aircraft carriers represent some of the most advanced engineering ever created. Floating cities. Moving airports, and among the most complex machines on Earth. If you enjoy exploring the engineering behind the world's greatest machines, subscribe to Inside Machines.